Hi guys and welcome to my channel. This is going to be in sort of a vlog. Sorry, I have a very distracting child next to me. But for that reason, I'm not able to be on my studio like I usually like to do whenever I make these like beauty videos. So just a little introduction. This video is gonna be me sharing with you what I have in this professional makeup bag. I got this bag for a very good price at Amazon, and I will show you what it looks like. This is how big it is. Okay, the first thing is this compartment here, right on the top. It should open like this. So I already have some stuff in here, mostly materials from my school. So it comes with the first bag here, which I carry all like disposables, lip applications, liner applications, brow spoolies. So that's what that is. Second bag in here is this Beauty Creations Eyebrow Definer Powder Book. I've already used this and it has tons of colors. That way it gives me choices and I don't have to worry about individual packaging. So this one has been great so far. The third bag here, I carry my palette and the spatula. This is the things that they use at the barber. I forgot the name. A cape, like a cape. It's waterproof. And then I have a compact mirror that I will give to the client so that the client is able to check his or her makeup. Then in this compartment here, I have palettes. All of these 4 palettes that I have here are the ones that are sent over from the QC Academy. So this is the concealer palette. This is the lip palette. This is the eyeshadow palette. The blush palette here. Okay, so this is the second compartment. Here is where you have more space to put things inside, which would go behind this area here, where normally, so you can still fit another palette or something else inside, something that would be flat. And then this is normally where you can put your brushes, but because I have my brushes still in the QC original packaging, this is where I keep them. I've just been laying them here, but you have the option of doing that, or like I have done, I just started adding random items inside that I can just access to. And then here are some of the palettes that I already have for this. Some hand sanitizer, some brush cleaners, and more alcohol. And that's what so far the inside of it looks. So obviously the things inside my bag are going to change because I have an Ulta Haul to show you. I'm just gonna pull things as I see inside the box because I got a lot of things. So the first thing here is the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter Palette. I have not seen everything that's inside. I am hoping that nothing is broken, especially like on powder. So this one came pretty good. Next thing I see is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. I got this one because it's got, you know, staple colors like the black one here, and like warm colors. The next one I got is also from NYX, the Ultimate Shadow Palette. Both of these are Ultimate Shadow Palette. This one is Phoenix, and then this one is in Brights. I wanted to have the option of accessing colors. Then I have the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette as well. This is Warm Neutrals, perfect for neutrals. Next thing I see here is, both of these are the e.l.f. Runaway Ready. These are lip palettes. I wanted to grab both so that I have a lot of option. The good thing is that I can mix colors if I need to. Next thing I hear is just 200 cotton swabs. Here is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. I wanted to make sure that I would have the option to a little bit of skincare, so it would help me prepare the skin for the makeup application. Here is the Eco Tools Perfecting Blender Duo. I have used this one before and it works great. Here is some micellar cleansing eco pads that I can use also if I need to remove any makeup or to cleanse the skin. Here is the second Essence Pure Nude Highlighter Palette. These are the Kiss lashes. They come in 5 pairs and I like that it comes with a little applicator here. Here is the e.l.f. Putty Primer Trio. This was supposed to be the poreless, the matte, and the luminous. So I like that it comes in like different choices depending on the skin that I'm gonna be working with. Have more lashes. This one is the Ardell Natural, just the 5 pairs, and this is the Eyelure London Definition for a more dramatic look. Here is the NYX Pro Foundation Palette, and it's also creams. What I liked about is obviously the choice, all the tones that are in the palette. Featuring 60 foundation shades, these satin matte creams can be mixed together to create a custom tone for every beauty. These are some facial hair scissors from the Tweezerman, but I will most likely will be using them to trim eyelashes. This is just a J-Cat eyelash helper. I didn't realize that this one came with this one here, so if I had known I wouldn't have ordered this one, but I think this one was on sale on Ulta for about $1 or $2. Next one here is the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. Then I have this ColourPop Romance Moi. It's an ultra matte lip set. I just thought that if I ever needed a matte set, the colors here would work perfect. I don't remember why I ordered this one, but I have the e.l.f. Putty Primer Trio, but this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer Longwear Foundation Grip. I think it just came together with this one. This is just the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I personally use this and I find this very helpful on removing waterproof makeup. The only thing that I do have to say is that it does leave like an oily effect. You just have to make sure to wipe it off. Next, I got these J-Cat sparkling powder, just in case my client wants some sparkle in it. I got this one in champagne case. This one is in papaya whip. This one is in Gatsby's Party. This one is in Bondi Black. This one is in Lion Silver. And this one is in Cool Silver. I got the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I got this Ulta Pencil Sharpener. I got the Essence Shine 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 Lip Gloss. These 4 are from the LA Girl. These are the Perfect Precision Lip Liner. I personally have used them and they're really, really nice. This is all the stuff that I got. Now I just have to figure out how to organize it here, but I might have to make that into a separate video. Alright guys, it's actually the next day. If I mentioned in my video that I was going to record a separate video showing you what I have in my bag, I actually decided not to do that because it's really not going to take a long time for me to show you how I have put everything together. I pretty much already showed you all my products from that haul, so let's just get on it. So the first compartment, when I open it up, I decided to move some things around. I have laying flat on the top just the QC Makeup Academy brushes that they sent to me. Just laying everything flat. It is very tight, but I still made it work. And I made sure that the stitching on the end, that the stitching around wasn't going to break. So that's that. And this is what inside is going to look like. So right here is where you normally would put your brushes, but instead I decided to put all my lip products, mostly my lip products. Inside of this pouch I actually don't have anything. I decided to leave it flat. So on the corners I have 2 clippers for the hair, to pick up the hair, and I made it I made it work with all these lip liners, just different colors. These behind here are the ones from ColourPop. This is just the gloss. These two are the mascaras that I have, like a waterproof and then just the regular version. These are a brown and a black eyeliner for the waterline or anything that I might need it. I have no clue why I ordered this NYX lip pencil. It's just in straight up black, but I guess for a special occasion I might use that. In here I realized that I wasn't gonna be able to make all of this fit and close if I would have kept the compartments. Even though it was nice to have everything organized, I wouldn't have been able to close it down. So I had to take them all out, and I kind of keep everything as organized as I can. I have just on the top, laying on the top, the lashes. On the bottom here are the NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palettes. Here are the two Essence Pure Nude palettes. These are the e.l.f. bronzer palettes. On this corner, these are the e.l.f. Runaway Ready lip palettes. Right here in this corner is the glitters. Here's the Kat Von D black eyeliner. The cotton swabs, reusable cotton pads that goes well with the Garnier Micellar Water. Here is my mask. Here is the hand sanitizer. Some more cleaning stuff for the brushes, towel, primers, powders, and that's pretty much it. I make sure that it all fits well. Put this inside. And that goes. And now it's like 50 pounds. And now we can get back to the end of the video. I wanted to start with like brand new products for my makeup kit just because I just feel like it's the right thing for me to do. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like if you did, subscribe to my channels, and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. I upload on Mondays and Thursdays at 8 AM Pacific time. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.